Like a standard jazz box, we do the first 3 steps exactly the same. Cross over with your right foot for 1, step back nice and directly for 2, side step right for 3. We're going to replace the last 4th count. Instead of stepping forward, we step across. Now the weight will be on that left foot. Let's try that again. Feet together, weight on your left, crossing with the jazz box over 1, back on 2, side for 3, cross 4. Let's try it one more time. Feet together, weight on your left, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try with your left foot. Feet together, starting with your left, we cross over for 1, back on 2, side on 3, and the cross on 4. That is your jazz box cross.